if you want to work with investors, this is what we have to do now. We have to go to your Google, okay, profile. All right. You have to log in to the account where you own the business, your business profile, and then it would change to this little dashboard here. Okay. So when you're logged into this one, info@kirbychen.com, I own this business profile. When I log in now, I just have to type in my name and it shows up here. It says your business on Google has 498 customer transactions this week or this month. And then profile strength, green, looks good. Okay. Can everybody search their own right now? Do you have a profile strength that's yellow or red? Let me know, okay? Okay, so this one profile strength looks good. We're green. You can see there's little cards here on the page here. Now these cards are very important. Okay, if you have an assistant or you do it yourself, is that you should check every card here. This is what Google is saying. This is what you must do, okay, to stay relevant. Okay, this is what we added to the system, and that you should actually do something about it. So here, I haven't seen this one before. Add chat. Allow customers to chat with your business via SMS or other apps. Are you guys okay if people chat with you? I'm okay. I'll do text message. I'll do WhatsApp. How's that? WhatsApp, click to chat. I don't have that right now. Let's just do this. Okay. Now I added this. Okay. And Google's going to say, awesome, right? You've added it. Now let's see. Current, previous. Your website was updated by Google. I'm okay with that. Click OK. So by clicking these couple of things, adding my phone number for texting, saying it's okay that they changed something, they know I'm relevant, okay? Like I'm still alive, okay? Something went wrong in your business. That's fine here. Okay, close that. So I did this one already, add chat. So I'm going to click here and go dismiss now. Next one, create ad. They always want you to spend money. I'm just going to dismiss this one. Turn more views to customers. Complete your profile to convert your 2,798 views, okay, for a customer. So I'm going to click that. Next. Okay, this is where you can edit your profile. Okay, congratulations for improving your profile. It is not bad. I got 93% more views, 33 more business profile interactions here. Okay, so that's what it looks like here. Okay, and this is where I start using AI for it. So it got more and more and more, and then yesterday 14. Okay, getting more and more. Any calls? 2 calls. Bookings. Okay, so what I want to do now is find out if you guys are not first on Google Business Profile, is that you go to AI now. You go to, let's say, ChatGPT, and you say analyze those other companies there. Like, what do they have that I don't have? Okay, because I guarantee you, if you go to this edit service over here, you may not have listed any services or very little. So I want you guys to click your edit service and see what services you have here. Okay, I went bonkers when I did this last year, and I said I'm going to add everything under the sun. Okay, that's in real estate. So you see here, everything. You see that? Furnished property, foreclosures, whatever they had for real estate, I just clicked everything. Okay, now that's not a good way to do it. I'm going to tell you guys my mistakes too. Okay, and you see divorce real estate sales, I do that one. That's why I added, we had the divorce real estate specialist in Richmond Hill and Markham. Okay, but I don't sell warehouse. And when you don't sell warehouse, don't put it in there. Okay, I think that's what I learned. Okay, so I can delete the service here. All right, but if that's what you do, then put it in, and then put a service description here. All right, and you can share it. Okay, so let's go back to my divorce, because I actually do a lot of divorces cases. And so I put divorce real estate sales here as a service. Price, no price. We are divorce real estate specialists in Richmond Hill and Markham, right? So I'll take that. I'll go to my ChatGPT. I'll go to my projects on this side. I'll go to my Kirby Training Code real estate team. I go to my marketing manager here that I set up. And I'm going to say, you know, I'm working on my Google business profile, um, updating my service section. Okay. I need a write-up for the divorce service. This is what I have. All right. So it's going to look at that. I just need to go back to my Google and see a 300 character limit, right? Let's see if they give, uh, there's a 300 character limit. Okay, let it do it again. Okay, so I take that. That's still a little bit long. Okay, so I'm going to edit it in a second. I'll go over here, go back to my Google. Okay, we're certified divorce. We're a divorce real estate specialists in Richmond, Markham. We help separating couples sell their home with clear communication, professional guidance. Let's do the realtor trick and a smooth process. So both parties can move forward. Oh, I have lots of space here. Still have 80, right? And then the next thing I do is I'm going to put a URL here at the bottom. And something happened to my Loft. Does anyone use Lofty here? Yeah. Well, Lofty just today, I don't know why, took out my website tab at the top, so I can't edit my website right now. And when I can, okay, I'm going to put it into my blogs here, okay, or a separate section. I'm going to write an article. I'm going to get ChatGPT to write me an article, or I'm going to use Claude to write me an article of how we service divorce cases. So that prompt is in your notes, okay? I'm going to write a blog about that we service, how we service people going through a divorce, okay, or separation. I'm going to take that, um, I'm going to take that link to my website where we wrote that. Let's just say this is my website, right? I'll take this link and I'm going to plop it into my Google thing here, okay? Okay, I might use a link shortener. I'll just make a shorter link on my blog, right? So then I'll do that. I'll press save. So now this service links directly to the page talking about that service. So when those two links together, Google's like, I like this. I like this guy's service, and he wrote about it on his website. Okay? So that's going to help you rank higher for that specific category now. So when someone searches Richmond Hill divorce realtor, this will be a high chance of getting up there. Okay? So again, this is very new, guys. This is so new. I haven't even done it yet right now. So I'm teaching you before I'm even doing it myself. All right. But my this video is going to go out to my virtual assistant, and she's going to do it for every one of these categories. Okay. So every day she's going to go through one of these categories. Appraisals, she'll do here. She'll do it here. Kirby does a letter of opinion. Okay. She'll write it all here. And then she'll make a little she'll make it on my page on my website, okay, and it connects the two. All right.